Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am doing an all-day clean with me. I cleaned pretty well my entire house and it took me just about all day. So we are getting started with the laundry. I'm just getting a load started and then we will move on. So I am just putting up my daughter's clothes. I am not somebody that likes to wash everybody's clothes together. So when I do laundry, I wash my daughter's clothes separately, my son's clothes separately, and then I will wash me and my husband's. So whenever I go to put things away, it's much easier for me. So that's what I am doing right now. Next, I'm moving on to the bathroom. This is something that I clean weekly. For some reason, it just gets so nasty so quickly between my husband and my 5-year-old son. You know, men just seem to not know how to pee in the toilet. So anyways, I have to clean it weekly. Then I am moving on to the living room. It is kind of a disaster right now, but most of it is just my kids' toys. I don't know about you guys, but I make them help me clean up my toys. Let me know down below if you make your kids clean up their toys with you.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Somewhere along the line, somebody had spilt something and it got sticky over here, so I'm just going to do a really quick mop of the living room. I wasn't planning on mopping the living room today, but because of this spill, I already had the mop out, so I just went ahead and did a real quick mop. If you guys are interested in this mop, I will have it linked down below. It's okay. I think it's better for the hardwood, but it does not let me get down and dirty like in the kitchen. So I'm really wanting to get the cedar spin mop for the kitchen specifically. So if you guys have that mop, please let me know if you like it. I know Tiffany Beeston really likes hers.
When I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at this beautiful I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this.
Next, I am taking out the trash. The trash is my least favorite chore, but it seems to pile up and need to be done the most. Then I'm going to go ahead and unload the dishwasher and then wash some of the kids' cups by hand. I don't do this a whole lot, but they needed a real good scrub, so I went ahead and washed them by hand.
I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Now that the kitchen is all swept up, Brystal was having a little fit, so we needed to stop and take a little hug break. She got a hug and a kiss, and then she was just fine. I just thought that this was so sweet, and I wanted to leave it in here. She is just growing up so fast.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about.
I'm going to finish up the kitchen and wipe off the counters. I'm using the Caldrea Pear Agave scent, I think it is. This stuff smells amazing, and once it dries, you can still smell it. So I use it just to finish wiping stuff off because it is kind of expensive.
When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love.
Next, I wanted to organize my kids' snacks. I just got them some Go-Gurt and some string cheese. I wanted it to be more accessible to them in the fridge, so I just use these little Dollar Tree containers, and I'm just splitting apart the cheese and putting yogurt in there.
And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating, you can't stop looking at her smile. Then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Turn me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way.
I'm just finishing up by putting away one last load of laundry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends. I hope it gave you the motivation that you needed to get something done today. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
From out of town, I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night?